Good morning, class 6. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the fifth video lecture of the chapter Changes Around Us. So in last video we have discussed about physical change. In today's video we are going to discuss about chemical change. A change during which new substance is formed is called chemical change. Okay, a change during which new substance is formed is called chemical change. Chemical change is also known as chemical reaction. Okay, is also called chemical reaction. Chemical change is always irreversible, means once the change has been done, it cannot be returned back. The original substance cannot be obtained. So chemical change is always irreversible. In chemical reaction, one or two substances react together or combine together to form new substance is called chemical reaction. For example, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is an example of chemical reaction in which CO2 react with water to form glucose and oxygen. So generally it is represented that chemical reaction is generally represented as A react with B to form C and D. This is the general representation. Okay, so these two are called reactant and these two are called product. What is reactant? The starting substance of a chemical reaction is called reactant. The starting substance of a chemical reaction is called reactant. Okay, and the substance which are formed, the substance which are product, the substance which are formed after chemical reaction is called product. So we have discussed what is chemical change. It is also called chemical reaction and it contains a reactant, means a reactant side and a product side. Reactant side combine together to form new substance, that is called product. So the starting material of a chemical reaction is called reactant and the product formed after chemical reaction is called Product means that is the substance formed after chemical reaction is called product. Example of chemical change: digestion. Okay, the examples of chemical change is digestion, rusting. Rusting is the example of chemical change because new substance is formed. Next is burning. Burning of substance. It can be paper, fuel, wood, etc. So anything can be there. So these all are the example of chemical change. Curd formation. In milk, when you add lactobacillus bacteria, that curd is formed, new substance is formed. That is also an example of chemical change. Just now discussed photosynthesis. This is the example of chemical change. Slaking of lime. These all are the example of chemical change. Okay, चलिए एक और चीज, spoilage of फूड का खराब होना, सड़ना, ये सब भी एग्जाम्पल है केमिकल चेंज का. ओके